Here, this is 11th standard CBSE or PUC sequence and series. Here, Rishika joined Amma.
Yes, sir.
Are you there, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, we need to understand in sequence and series. This is also called progressions. This is also called progressions. What is the meaning of series or sequence? Sequence and series. A set of numbers follows a particular condition is called sequence or series. Means what is that? For example, you take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. You try to understand the difference between the two consecutive terms are equal here. 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. So the difference between any consecutive terms is same. This is called a sequence or series. This is called sequence and series. Here, when the difference is same, this is called arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. For example, let us take 3, 9, 27, 80, 9 by 3, 3, 27 by 9, 3. 27, 3, 81, so on. See this. Here it is a division, 9 by 3, divide by 3, 3. 27 by 9, 3. 87 by 27. So this is the geometric progression. Arithmetic progression and geometric progression. When the common difference is same, that is called arithmetic progression. When common ratio is same, that is called geometric progression. Let us go with the arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? So here, what is arithmetic progression? Means general series. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. A plus N minus 1 into D. Try to understand what is arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. A plus N minus 1 into D. Where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Here in arithmetic progression, what is the nth term? Tn. A plus N minus 1 into D. The formula for Sn. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N by 2 into A plus L. Where A is first term, last term. Where A is first term, L is last term. This is Sn, sum to n terms, Sn. Tn is A plus N minus 1 into D. Please note down. Arithmetic progression, AP. Did you understand, all of you? Nth term, sum to n terms. Here, if A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, what is the condition? B minus A is equal to C minus B. B minus A is equal to C minus B. Then B take this side. B plus B is equal to A, take that side, A plus C. 2B is equal to A plus C. B is equal to A plus C by 2. This is the arithmetic mean. Please write down. Try to understand here. We can go with the only arithmetic progression formulas given to you. We'll go with the 9.1 exercise. Just all of you see this 9.1 exercise. Write the first 5 terms of each of the following sequences in exercises 1 to 6, where nth term they had given. An is equal to n into n plus 2. They are asking you to write first 5 terms. First find A1, 1 into 1 plus 2, 3. A2, 2 into 2 plus 2, 8. A3, 3 into 3 plus 2. A4, 4 into 4 plus 2. 24. A5, 5 into 5 plus 2. 35. So, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Just n replace with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. You will get the first 5 terms. So second problem, third problem, fourth problem, there is no issue. Fifth problem, can you try, all of you? What is the fifth problem given? An is equal to -1 whole power n minus 1, 5 power n plus 1. Can you find, all of you? Speed up. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This is problem number 5. 7th problem I am taking, because up to 6th problem you can do very easily. Just substituting only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking 7th problem. Question you please read first. Find the indicated terms in each of the sequences in exercises 7 to 10 whose nth term is given. An given here. An is equal to 4 minus 3. Question they are asking A17 and A24. Can you tell me, ma? A17. 4 into 17 minus 3. 17 4 just 68. 65. Find A24. 4 into 24 minus 3. 93 and 65. These problems remaining also same, just you do 10th one. What is 10th problem? An is equal to n into n minus 2 by An is equal to n into n minus 2 by n plus 3. Find A20. Twenty into 20 minus 2 by 20 plus 3. 20 into 18 by 23. Question number 11th. 11th problem you please see here. A1 is equal to 3. A1 is equal to 3. An is equal to 3 into An minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1. Question is write the first 5 terms. First A1 I am taking. 3A0 plus 2. But the question is n greater than 1. A1 we should not take. A2. Because n is greater than 1, not 1. N is greater than 1. Find A2. 3 into A1 plus 2. What is A1? A1 is 3. A2 you got. Find A3 now. How to find A3? 3 into A2 plus 2. A2 is 11. 35. Find A4. 3 into A3 plus 2. What is A3? 35. 3 into 35. 105. 107. Similarly, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A5. 3 into A4 plus 2. What is A4? 107 plus 2. Simplify this. Yeah. 12th problem, can you try all of you? Twelfth problem. All of you try, please. See, they told n greater than or equal to 2. That means you need to start with A2. You put 2 in this. First start with 2, A2 in this. After getting A2, find A3. Next A4, A5, like that.
Done, sir.
We did, ma?
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Very good, Kushal.
Yes.
How many have we did, Rishika?
I'm still doing, sir.
Okay, ma. Next, others, ma. Shabrish?
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Okay. Any problem to do this? A2 is equal to A2 minus 1 by, that is A1 by 2. What is A1 given? Minus 1 by 2. Like this only, na Kushal?
Yes, sir.
A3 is equal to A2 by 3.
3.
What is A2? Minus 1 by 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 6.
6.
Like this, find A4. What is A4?
By 4.
Find A5 last. Thirteenth, same model. Fourteenth problem. Twelfth sum over. 13th sum same. 14th sum, Fibonacci sequence. One is equal to A1 is equal to A2 and AN is equal to Sir Namaste. Sir Namaste. A3 is equal to A2 plus A1. A2 is 1, A1 also 1. So A3 is 2. A3 by A2. This we got. Suppose you want to find A4. A4 means A3 plus A2. A3 is 2, 3. A4 is 3. A5 is A4 plus A3. A4 is 3. A3 is 2. It is 5. Finally, find A6. A5 plus A4. 5 plus 3, 8. Now you can find all the values here. Find an by an plus 1. Next put A4 by A3. What is A4? 3 by A3, 2. And A5 by A4, 5 by 3. A6 by A5, 8 by 5. Copy this. Fourteenth is over. Exercise 9.2. Very important exercise. From here it is serious. 9.1 is not that much serious, but 9.2 is very serious. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. Find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001. What are the odd integers? Can you tell me? From 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on, 2001. Odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2001. They are asking find the sum of these odd integers. First term is 1. Common difference is 3 minus 1, 2. Last term is, that is nth term, 2001. Please remember. Last term is always nth term. Tn, 2001. Tn formula, you know, A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. N minus 1 into 2 equal 2000. N minus 1 equal to 2 1 ja. 2 1 ja 2000. This is 1000. N is equal to 1000 plus 1. 101. Please try to understand. Here n you got 1001. Once again I am teaching, find the sum of the odd integers between 1 to 2001. First term is 1, common difference is 3 minus 1, 2. Last term always nth term. Tn is 2001. Tn formula we applied a plus n minus 1 into d, 2001. 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, we got n is equal to 1001. We required Sn. N by 2 into a plus L. Yes, 1001. 1001 by 2 into a plus L, where a is 1, L is, last term is 2001. 1001 into 2002 by 2. 1001 into 1001, how much? Calculate and tell me.
One zero zero 2001.
100.
2001.
Please copy this.
या लॉकडाऊन मुळे
Sir, done, sir.
Find sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 to 1000. Which are multiple of 5. Lying between, the question you please observe. Lying between means starts with the 105, 110, 115, so on. Last one is 995. Because they told which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means like this. Same procedure. First term, common difference, second term minus first term. 110 minus 105, 5. Tn, formula A plus n minus 1 into d. The last term is 995. Here A is 100, first term. N minus 1 into d is 5. I am taking this side. 995 minus 100, 885. Divide with 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. N is equal to 178.
Sir, A is 105, no, sir.
No, 105. Huh? A is 105, correct. 995 minus 105, 880. 880 means 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 5 6 ja 30, correct? Kushal?
Yes, sir.
So how much you got n value? What is
Sir,
n you got?
Sir, 995 minus 105, 890.
890, yeah.
Yes, sir. You get
890 by
179. 179. 179.
179.
Yes, sir.
N 179 or
N is only 170.
yeah, this is 178.
Yes, sir. N is equal to 1.
N is equal to 179. Very good. Sn formula n by 2 into a plus l. First term plus last term. Just simplify this. 179 by 2 into 105 plus 995.
तुमचा व्यवसाय ठप्प झाला आहे का? आजच आपला ऑफलाईन बिझनेस ऑन
1100.
1100 to 550s. 550 into 179. 98,450.
Yes, sir.
Check the answer, Kushal.
Yes, sir. Correct only, sir. Same answer.
So done, sir.
Third problem. Third problem. In an AP, first term is 2. Sum of first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. See, in AP, how the terms will come, can you tell me?
A plus D, A plus
Sum
D.
of first. Tell me, Kushal.
A is first term.
A plus D, A plus
A plus 2D. A plus. Yes, sir.
A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D, A plus 8D, A plus 9D. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms. What they are telling, the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. The sum of the first 5 terms, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1/4 of the next 5 terms. A plus 5D, A plus 6D, A plus 7D, how many A's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 A's. D's how many? D 3D, 3D 60, 10D. Here also 5 A's. 5D, 6D, 11D, 11D, 18D, 18, 8, 26, 26, 35. So total equation divide with 5. A plus 2D is equal to 1/4 of A plus 7D. 4A plus 8D equal to A plus 7D. 3A is equal to minus D. Finally, we got 3A is equal to minus D. What the question they are telling? A first term 2, I think. D become minus 6. What the question they are asking? Show that the 20th term is minus 112. T20, A plus 19D. A is to 19 into minus 6. 6 9 is 14. 6 9 is 54. Okay, guys. So today enough. Tomorrow relax. Tomorrow Sunday no classes. Do you want class tomorrow? Kushal? No?
No, sir.
Shabarish, you want class tomorrow?
Okay, sir.
Very good boy. Rishika, you want class tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Sumit?
Yes, sir.
Kushal, majority party leader is CM.
Okay, sir.
No. Simply I'm telling. Tomorrow I will tell you. If I will take, otherwise tomorrow no class. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you, ma.